Hello everyone, I'm Executive Owner Chef of the Hatchobori Tempura Ono in Tokyo. Today I'm going to tell you how to cook and how to fry the high-end tempura. Okay, first of all I'm going to tell how to cook the prawns. That's a very fresh one. Comes from southern part of Japan today. Maybe comes from the Oita or something else. The size is about 40 grams or something like that. We use it. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how to. First of all, we remove the head from that. Put on the finger on here like this, and remove it. And on this timing, I'm going to remove the inside of the shrimps. This is very, very important. If you cannot do it, finally, you need to remove the fin, because this one is not good taste. Okay, all right. And I'm going to tell. First of all, I'm going to remove the shell from the head part. Everybody wants to do like this, but no. We put on the board, cutting board finally, and the double finger we remove like this. Okay? It's easy. Eh? Okay, got it. And finally, we remove the inside of this one. It's a good taste for the sauce. Everything's going good, but in the shrimp head tempura, we don't need it. So first of all, we remove this one. And in case sometimes you don't like the eye part, of course you can remove it. Like this. Head part is all finished now. And okay, next. This part we are going to, first of all, on the tail part, this part you need to cut off like this, because if double two part, if you don't remove this, finally all of the air is extended, finally explosion. So in your pod, it's like explosion. You have to be very careful for this. And one more thing is going to be after cutting here, you see the shape of the tail is very good. This is very important. If there is like that, here we need to cutting here. This is more and more clear and beautiful. Okay, and we are going to remove the shell from the shrimps. Okay, you see on your finger, doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and around the tail part, you do. Finally, you remove. It's very hard to do it sometimes, so you can separate two or a couple of times. You remove and try again here. Not yet. Okay. Okay. Finally, all of the shells gone from the shrimps. Okay, and on this part, if you do frying just normally like this, finally the shape of the shrimps is like this, easy. So we need to strength here. So we needed to cutting. Okay, I'll do like this. Okay, this is very difficult techniques. If you cannot do that, you can do on the board. Cutting like this is also okay. But I'm sorry, I'm doing like this. Again, it's very soft touch, not cutting well. Okay, finally the shape becoming like this. Okay, again, and we needed to stretch all of the shrimp part. All of the finger you have to use it. You see? 1, little bit, not too much. 2, final. This is very important. 3, vertical angle. This is very important. Okay. Finally, the shrimp is already set. And second fish today, I'm going to fry the one more fish today. Maybe this is a kind of seasoned fish called lake fish called wakasagi. It's so beautiful. No, we don't need to nothing to do with preparing. Just watching it was very soft salt water, and then remove the excess water from that. That's all. Today's 2 fishes are here, shrimps and the wakasagi fish. It's very good taste. Okay, from now I'm going to tell you how to make it a batter over the tempura. Basically we use just egg water. This is ice, some ice in it, and we use some flour. It's a white flour and low gluten one, please. If it contains lots of the gluten inside, finally the feeling of the texture of the tempura becoming so like a cake on a bread. I need a crispy taste and more some slightly high end of the tempura taste you need it. Okay, this is the point. Okay, fine, I'll do. First of all, how to make it an egg water. For about 2 liters of the water, plus some ice in it, and also 3 whole eggs and 2 yolks. Total 5 eggs, and mix very well here. This is the egg water. And okay, I'm going to tell how much the percentage of blend. Today I'm preparing some scale here. So I put on some egg water first. Is it okay, buddy? Okay. First of all, maybe around here is fine, maybe. If it's not preferred some ice cube like this, you have to remove like here. Okay. Now the cold egg water only here. About today the 145 grams of the the egg water. And shishi is a little bit different. Maybe so the 145 grams is okay. And flour egg powder. Okay. You see the almost it's clean now, but you have to break it down again because all of the the powder sticking together. The final aeration like this. The final all of the each powder is breaking down, and the more the texture and the taste becoming much better. So this is one of the very important things. Okay. All right, got it. I put on here. Okay. Before that, I needed to 0. Okay. You ready? Again, 0. Okay. I put on first. And do not mix so well, please. Now 75 grams. Do not mix very well, okay? If you're doing so well, finally the gluten comes up, and the final texture is not good. So, not bad, not bad. Not bad, but a little bit more maybe, I think. Okay. Okay. Now the 85 grams, okay. Please remember 85 grams. 145 grams of the shishi of the egg water and 85 grams of the powder. Oh, it's enough. It's enough. If you see that like this kind of powder, no, mixed not so well. Everybody wants to do very well. No. We don't need it to like this. This is the point. Okay. And one more thing. This part and this part is the slightly thickness of butter is slightly different. You feel more stronger. We feel more here is more softer, right? The part, which part we are going to put on the butter, everything is going to be changing. This is our tech and one of our techniques. Hey, it's really difficult to do it than that. My shop is more easier. Okay, all right, I'll do. Okay, this is shrimps and fishes here, right? Already. First of all, the shrimp head part I'm going to fry. Okay. No, but I don't need the powder for here. Just thin flour powder on it and remove the excess powder from here. And can I do it? Right. 180 degrees oil. Today's a corn oil and some rice oil and some sesame oil in it. The blend percentage is your choice. Now frying, okay? Okay, during our time, we're going to fry. Ready? Is it okay for? First of all, I put on some powder. Very thin powder here. like this. Is it? Not so well, you know. Some part getting strong, some part is very thin powder only. After that, directly dunk to here and into the pot. Okay? You ready? Okay? 1, 2. Everybody wants the thickness of butter, very thickness of butter. Hey, my one is like this, you know. It's very shallow and very soft. Okay, one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is my tempura, okay? Not so difficult. Hey, you see the powder of the, you know, flour. It's like this, you know. Very, very small. If you're doing the very strong one, finally it become very bigger. I'm sorry, we don't do like this. This is my tempura. You see, remove the excess, you know, excess. How to say? Crunchy from here, from the pot. Hey, you see, and hey, you see the bubble over there. You know, the shrimps becoming more, you know, how to say, more softer than before. I think. You see. First of all, you see this is more bigger here, but now you compare it to this, you feel some more softer here. But each item by item, I'm going to change how deep fry. Hey, maybe almost it's okay. In my upside down now, because all of the excess water comes up to the upside and gone. This way comes up. If turning around again, means the comes up the excess water this side. This is also very important. So you need to remove the excess water from like this material. You see, so in the pot, do not, first of all, we need to stay very cool. But after the 30 or 40 seconds, we do like this. I'm doing like this, sorry, not we. Okay, maybe it's almost done. Okay, finished. First of all, it's also okay. We go this like this, okay? Okay, cutting very well, because the aeration is very important, becoming more crunchy, okay? 1, 2, 3 here. Thank you. This is the first. Okay, the shrimps is okay. The cutting oil like this. Aeration is very important, I said. You see it like this. Here is the thin powder over the part. And, sorry, upside down. This part becoming more thick powder. This is one of our techniques. Texture, this part, and this part. This right in there. Every time you feel lots of the butter on it. This is sorry, it's not my tempura. We needed to adjusting the thickness of butter. Okay, can I put it in here? Thank you very much. Excuse me. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, next is wakasagi fish. This is if the season is coming. The Japanese fisherman and the winter fisherman is very, very crazy for this species. Taste is very nice. Okay, 1, 2. I put on the powder. Little bit. I needed to remove like this. Don't push like this or something. Very soft touch, okay? This is very important. And second touch. Hey, this is very different. Okay, put on that. Hey, you see. And remove the excess butter from here and into here. 1, 2, 3. Shake. And go. This is one of the techniques. And in the pot. Okay, now. And keep the face. Keep it until keep the shape. You know, this shape is very important, like a waving. You know, they're doing they are swimming in the river or something like that. And say same thing, upside down. If it comes up this way, the water is come up to this way. The primary, turn it around, and equally the excess water material is gone. But in this with the fishes, almost 80% over the 90% of the water is, especially maybe this side, you know, because this side is meat, not so much contain of lots of water inside. We needed to thinking about it very, very carefully. Of course, just when frying everything, just in the pot, it's okay. But you know, this is today's high-end tempura in Tokyo. Cutting off oil and put on there. Hey, God, please help me. If cannot, we need to turn it around, we do by the finger, it's okay. Of course, I need a beauty cut and a beautiful shot on the dishes. Okay, done. Cutting off oil very softly. Put it down here. Thank you very much. The shape is very important also in the dishes because we are going to describe the nature of the nature. We want to describe the nature. Sometimes it looks like you can imagine living the lake and swimming in the lake. Sometimes it looks like that. This is very important also. And also, please watch it. Okay, I will tell you. The surface part, I don't put on not so much butter, and the bottom part, of course, little bit thick butter on it. This is also texture different. It's very important also. Of course, you can eat the whole part to the head to the tail. This is my techniques. Well, if you like today's my tempura, please give me a good marks and register your channel. Thank you. Bye bye.